Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to fill out a group travel request for your club or organization on campus. First, you're going to want to log into Perch Portal. You'll then want to switch your view to Manage mode. This can be located at the top right. Once you're done, select Manage. Now, in order to switch to Manage mode, you must either be the president or treasurer of your RSO or be granted access by your leadership team. For this example, I'll be using the executive branch. Once done, you're going to go to the left-hand side, open up the menu, and then scroll down to the Finance section. You'll then select Create Request and then hit Create Budget Request. Be sure to read the detailed requirements and criteria for group travel. Once you're done, scroll down and select the blue hyperlink. Now, I already have a request made, so I'm going to pull that up for you guys. So this will then bring you to the first page, which is the summary page. The request title will essentially be the name of the event that you are attending and a description of what is happening at the event. You can pause this video and feel free to type in the description, and once you're done, select Next. This will then take you to the additional information section. This is just going to ask you additional information and questions about the event you are attending. Please be sure to answer all the questions, and if you are unsure about the event or it does not apply to you, please put NA. Once you're done, hit Next, and this will then take you to the budgeting section of the request. There are three main sections. There is registration, lodging, and transportation. I'm going to click on the registration just to give you guys an example. You'll put the name of what you wish to request in a description. So if I'm requesting a registration fee, the description will tell me what is all encompassing within the registration fee. You'll then put your quantity and your per unit cost and then hit save. And you'll do the exact same thing for the lodging. Now for transportation, this one's a bit trickier. You'll then add your item. If you are renting a vehicle or taking your own personal vehicle, we will only reimburse the one that is most economically effective. So you'll want to do a cost analysis of the personal vehicle and the rental vehicle. So if you select personal vehicle, it will then give you the formula, which is right here. You'll then write out the formula. You can put it in and save it, or you can just do it on Scratch. And then you'll do the rental vehicle as well. And whichever one is most economically and fiscally responsible, you'll put that in the transportation section. Once you're done, you'll save it and then hit submit. Finally, you'll want to check your student email so that you can pass it along to either your RSO president, treasurer, and advisor to review. Once it's done, it can then be officially submitted to the budget and allocations chair. So if you go to your email, this is essentially what the email will look like. View budget, view request, and then once you do that, you can pass it along to the next person. And essentially just like that, you're all done. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to the Budget and Allocations Chair at sgabac@unf.edu.